I guide you to see all your comments on YouTube on phone. So let's hop into the YouTube first. And now let us comment on any of the video or short. So I'm scrolling down like this. So let's say I'm tapping on here and I'm commenting beautiful. So with a heart, I'm tapping on send here and you could see that comment has been added. Beautiful here. And now if I need to see my comments on the YouTube, I need to tap on the profile, which means you. And in the very top, I could find the settings. I need to go over there and scroll down to find manage all history. So tap over there. And let's say if you could find the comments here in the history, that is good. If not so, you need to go to the interactions here. In the interactions, you need to go over video interactions like comments and replies. So let's tap over there. And here you could see I have only commented on one shot. So it is showing me one comment over here. Let's say if you have commented many comments on YouTube, and it will show you if you scroll down like this. Looks you have reached the end. That means I could see beautiful with a heart, which I have commented here. This is how you see all your comments on YouTube on phone. Thank you.